MLBroadcast.com. Global exposure. Local results.
Unbelievable location. Immaculate home barely lived in, built by David Powers. 2-story entry and dining room. Slate floor at entry and kitchen. Wood flooring in 2-story family room. Iron stair rail, huge island kitchen with stainless appliances and refrigerator included. Escape to the master retreat with sitting area and spa-like master bath. The study downstairs offers privacy doors, rich colors, and wood flooring. Upstairs game media room has access to an oversized balcony overlooking the pool and golf course. 3 additional bedrooms up with private baths and neutral colors. Enjoy outdoor entertaining in the beautiful backyard. Green space for children and pets, plus an incredible saltwater pool and spa, spacious covered patio, and extensive landscape. Move right in.